there's one more success. And after that, a few days later, after I meditated with your technique, another great thing happened to me.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is super inspiring. Watch this video till the end. Give this video a like and let's get started. So today's success story has been sent to me by Gabriel. Gabriel has sent it by email and he himself has named the success story, "The universe sent me to your YouTube channel and then all the good things happened to me." Well, Gabriel, thank you so much for that title. And then he writes, "Hello Suyash, there is no one better at showing you the way than the universe itself." I agree. I am from Romania, Europe, and after the pandemic started, I was okay. Had a good job, me and my girlfriend were living together, and then suddenly bad things started to happen, even though I'm a spiritual guy and meditated every day. Alright. In February, I received a call from my manager and he told me that we must go our separate ways, firing me from my job. I was shocked. I could not believe that this happened to me, but I kept calm and told myself that this is not the end of the world and I started searching for a new job. But life happened and after 1 week, Romania was locked down in isolation and of course I could not find a job anymore. I was lucky that I had some money saved. My girlfriend was at her mom's place in another city and for 3 months we could not see each other. It was all very depressing, but I still moved forward. In June, Romania was finally out of lockdown and businesses started again, and so did I. I started to find a job again, but without results because nobody hired at that time. So he was trying to get a job, but he was not getting any results. At that time, I told myself that I was going to do a part-time job or anything to keep me going. One day, as I was walking home, I scrolled on Facebook and a weird post appeared, and the post said, 1111, the universe talks to you, this is a sign. To my surprise, the clock was 1111 pm, 11:11 pm. So I told myself, maybe it is a sign. I clicked it and it was a post about the theta state. I was intrigued and started searching on YouTube about theta. That's when I found you explaining a 10-minute technique about how to enter the theta state. And the video that he is talking about, this 10-minute technique about how to enter the theta state, it is in fact the first video that I ever uploaded on my YouTube channel. Most of you must have watched it already, but if not, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can go ahead and watch that. I'll also leave a link down below in the description of this video. I practiced that is that 10-minute theta practice. I practiced that for only 4 days and I started to see signs from the universe already. Every time I looked at my watch, it was 2:22, 11:11, 1:11, 3:33 and so on. It was very strange for me. After 2 more days, as I was scrolling on Facebook, I saw a post from a friend that I know who was hiring for his digital marketing agency. I worked in marketing and sales before the pandemic for 3 years. I was surprised that one of my friends had a business like that, and I wrote to him that I was interested in that opportunity. The day after that, I had a Zoom meeting with him because he is living in the UK, and after we talked, we shook hands. He has written that in quotes. We shook hands because of course they are having the meeting online. We shook hands and I got hired as a chief commercial officer at his marketing agency. And in bracket he has written, I am 25 years old by the way. So for a 25-year-old to get hired as the chief commercial officer is a big deal, right? I was so excited and shocked and grateful to the universe and to you, Suyash. Well, thank you again, Gabriel. And after that, there's one more success. And after that, a few days later, after I meditated with your technique, another great thing happened to me. I won a 1000 euro prize at a lottery, which is a significant amount, right? Excellent. And here I am today writing to you, and every day I am watching a manifestation story on your channel. Thank you, Suyash, for spreading your knowledge and techniques to the world. The universe never sleeps and it always works for our happiness. Thank you again, Gabriel. Wow, Gabriel, what an excellent success story. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. And to all of you watching this video, let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this success story. I absolutely love reading your comments. Also give this video a like, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to Mind Body Spirit, and after subscribing, also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these Law of Attraction success stories, watch these success stories every day, at least one, if possible, more success stories every day. And just like it happened with Gabriel, your belief will increase. How you perceive the world, how you perceive the possibilities that are all around you will change. And as a result, the success that you get with the law of attraction will become more certain, it will become faster. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. So right now, go ahead, watch a few more of these videos, watch these videos every day and notice the difference.